Guten Morgen and welcome back to another video with me, Mr. Cola Roaster. Today I'm here at Phantasialand for my first ever visit. I can't wait to do Taron, Fly and many other rides. Let's go. My first ride of the day is going to be Fly, the world's first flying launch coaster. It's in the new area of Brühl, which looks amazing. I got 3 rides on Fly in my 2 days at the park, including one in the front row. It's a long ride experience with some surprising moments of airtime. Brühl is easily the best theme park area I've ever been to. Just come off Black Mamba, which was my 4th B&M invert. It was quite an intense ride and there was some good theming throughout the queue. I enjoyed the ride, but it wasn't quite as good as I expected. Nemesis and Raptor are definitely better inverts, although Black Mamba was slightly better than Nemesis Inferno. My next ride was Taron, a Huss topspin that looks awesome from off-ride. It has a great soundtrack and some cool special effects. The ride itself is one of the most intense flat rides I've done. After that, I went on Chiapas, the park's Intamin log flume. It has the world's steepest log flume drop at 53 degrees, and it's definitely one of my favourite water rides. Then I went over to Mystery Castle, which is a well-themed indoor drop tower. It's a very unique experience, with 2 different ride sequences depending on the time of day. I've just come off my first ride on Taron in the front row. It's my favourite coaster here, I really enjoyed it. My favourite part of Taron was the second launch. There were also a couple of great airtime moments, and the theming was really good, just like the rest of the park. I definitely prefer some of the other Intamins I've done, like Condor and Maverick, but Taron is still my number 9 coaster. Next I had a ride on Rake. This is a Vekoma family boomerang that is right next to Taron in the Cologne area of the park. It was my 4th family boomerang, after Velociraptor at Poulton's Park and the 2 at Energylandia. My 5th coaster of the day was the Vekoma mine train called Colorado Adventure. Although it doesn't look that thrilling from off-ride, I'd heard some great things about it. After doing it once near the back of the train, it was even better than I expected. This was by far the best mine train I've done, with multiple strong airtime moments in a long, exciting layout. Make sure you don't skip out on this ride if you visit Phantasialand. Just done both sides of Windjars, Fear and Force. I slightly preferred Force, they were both very fun family coasters. These Mara spinning coasters had some unique elements that are a great surprise if you don't know about them before riding. After a second ride on Fly, I went on Mouse au Chocolat, the park's shooting dark ride. Then I got some more re-rides on Black Mamba, Colorado Adventure and Mystery Castle. We're about to go for our second ride on Taron in the back row this time. The airtime is slightly stronger in the back, but I do prefer the front row for the overall experience. We had a great day here at Phantasialand.
We managed to get 7 out of the 8 credits done, with 2 rides each on Fly, Taron and Black Mamba.
We've got a second day here, so we can't wait to do more re-rides and get the other credit. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like,
comment
and subscribe.
Hit that brake run.